Meaning of donate.
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 Donate. Donate means to give money, goods, or time to help a person or organization. The result of donating can be positive and far-reaching. It can help people in need, fund research for medical cures, support important causes, and much more. When individuals or groups donate, they become part of a movement that seeks to make the world a better place. Donating can bring satisfaction and fulfillment, knowing that your contribution has made a difference. So, whether it's a small or large donation, it can have a significant impact on someone's life or the world around us.